Number 8. Rimac Nevera, 412 kilometers per hour.
Kad hoću, jel? Yeah, really. Stari moj. Ma da ti, kaj si ti ovdje?
Introducing the electric revolution, Rimac Nevera. Croatian manufacturer Rimac has managed to produce 1,440 horsepower with 4 electric motors in this model. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 1.85 seconds. Maximum speed 412 kilometers per hour. Don't be fooled by its silence. Nevera has a performance that leaves giants like Bugatti and Koenigsegg behind. While it provides separate power to each wheel with its advanced torque vectoring system, it provides both lightness and safety with its carbon fiber monocoque chassis. Its price is around $2.1 million. Its interior design is extremely digital, while its exterior bears the lines of the future. Rimac Nevera proves that electric cars are not only environmentally friendly, but also the fastest.